Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have a brand new 2026 Model Y Juniper finished in the beautiful diamond black from Tesla that has received a lot of customizations from us on the exterior and the interior, starting off with T-Max gloss clear PPF film that has been applied to all of the exterior painted panels to help prevent road rash and rock chips and unnecessary and unwanted trips to the body shop. You can't even tell the vehicle's been wrapped. And that's the beauty of the T-Max gloss clear PPF. Also, you'll never need to wax your car again because all you have to do is wash it with car wash soap, water, and wipe it down, and it always looks great. Now, this vehicle did come with the 19-inch tires and Aero cover wheels from Tesla, but the customer did not care for the Aero covers. And you know what, quite frankly, I don't blame her. I think what she chose are brand new AR2 Arachnid style Aero cover wheels look absolutely great. And since this is not a performance Model Y Juniper, which does come with the Arachnid style 2.0 wheels from Tesla, these Aero covers look very similar to that and give it a really nice sporty appearance. Now, after we went ahead and wrapped the exterior and quickly, easily changed the Aero covers, let's move on to the interior because I got something to show you that's never been done before. Take a look at this beautiful bone leather interior. We reupholstered the front and rear seats in this bone color. We gave it a little bit of a contrast stitching on the outer edge here in black, which is really cool, kind of ties it in with the rest of the black areas inside this vehicle. And we also reupholstered the door panel inserts. So that's really cool as well. This bone color looks like cream or crema, like Ferrari crema leather as a matter of fact, but it is so much more affordable to do with our Model Y interior program. To finish it all off, the customer wanted to go ahead and protect everything for many years to come. So we applied the T-Max ceramic coating to the wrap, which took the warranty from 7 years now to 10. We applied it to the Aero covers, which will provide for easier cleanup when there's brake dust and things of that nature, the exterior glass to repel water, and then of course on the whole brand new interior. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.